Do you have an old deck that needs constant maintenance, costing you time and money? Well, now you can fix those problems in a snap by installing UltraDeck QuickCap from Menards. Installing UltraDeck QuickCap on top of existing wood decking is an affordable investment that dramatically adds to the look, functionality, and value of your deck. It provides a low-maintenance, splinter-free surface made from eco-friendly recycled wood and plastic. Plus, this material can easily be cut using any type of saw that you would traditionally use for wood. Installation is as simple as laying the QuickCap over your existing decking. The hidden fastener recessed clips attach easily and can hide slight imperfections from an old, uneven deck. The ventilating channels of QuickCap help direct moisture away from your deck, and the wood grain texture offers excellent slip resistance. Plus, you can easily attach a flush mounting plate to install posts and railings. You can even choose from 3 colors to create your own unique design patterns to fit your style. So save yourself the labor and cost of an old deck and upgrade the look of your home with UltraDeck QuickCap, available now at Menards.